Hey guys, Nolan Formalarie here with DiscoverNChomes. Just wanted to talk about crawl space and redoing it after Florence. It's probably 9-10 months now after Florence, and this entire liner, I got actually water up all the way into the floor joist. You'll see that the insulation, the bad insulation, is now gone. But anyway, this entire white liner came down. The way it was originally installed was with rivets, maybe every, I'd say 7-10 feet, and this white polyethylene tape over here. And I did a lot of research putting it back up because I did not want, mastic too, which was horrible when the water got to it. It just disintegrated and the plastic came off. So going forward, didn't want anything, if that ever happened again, hopefully it won't, to pull this plastic down. So I did a lot of research and kind of came up with my own method after just looking at various products. The first thing, which is amazing, are these Christmas tree fasteners here. There's these little plastic, I guess, screws. You use a masonry bit, and I run in about every probably, I'd say 5-8 feet, and that really does a good job holding the plastic in. Once they're in, they will not pull out. And then this stuff is amazing here. This Master Seal NP1 caulking. It was adhered better than anything that I found. So I went maybe right, you can see my finger here, right about there underneath the entire liner with a thin bead of that after I put these Christmas tree fasteners in. I did a lot of research and I bought a few rolls of this stuff. It's this thick double-sided black tape. For me, it did not work at all, so I decided not to use it. I know there's a lot of good stuff on the internet about it, but it just did not adhere to the plastic or the concrete, so I skipped that. So after the caulking was put on, I did go with this white crawl space tape. If you do your research, it's just a polyethylene tape. You can get it just about anywhere. But it works really well as kind of a final adhesive to the wall up there. And then I did something interesting because I came down after the tape was on, and a lot of it was peeling off. So I used a bead of spray foam to seal the tape to the concrete, which so far is holding up really well. Just be careful. This is just the stuff you can get at Lowe's or Home Depot, the great stuff. But be careful with it because you definitely, it sticks to just about anything. Sorry for the waving here. So anyway, that was my kind of 3-4 step method, and I don't think this plastic is going anywhere. So again, I went in with the Christmas tree fastener. I'm trying to get it right here. Then I went in with that NP1 caulking underneath here. Then I did a piece of tape all the way through, and I found that that was pulling. So I did a thin bead of this just great stuff insulation foam, and that really held, that held up well. So hopefully we'll never get water in our crawl space again, but that was at least my method of sealing this stuff back up. All right, see you soon, thanks.